To start a new invoice, head into the Invoices section from your dashboard. Then tap the Add button down here to begin a new sale. The new invoice is now open and ready. Let's go to the next step, which is adding customer and cylinder details. To add the customer details, tap the customer field here and pick the buyer from your list. Next, choose the cylinder type you're selling under the Add Cylinder section. Set the price per cylinder for this sale. Enter how many filled cylinders are going out, along with the empty ones coming back in. Once the totals look right, hit the Add button to drop this item into the cart. The customer and cylinder details have been added successfully. Let's go to the next step, which is setting partial payment in completing sale. To set up a partial payment, scroll down to the payment section and enter the amount the customer is actually paying right now. Once that's in, hit the Complete Sale button at the bottom. You'll see a confirmation showing the balance due of Rs 10,000 still owed by the customer, so go ahead and confirm to finalize the sale. The sale is now complete with the partial payment recorded. Let's move on to previewing the sale invoice. To preview the sale invoice, tap on Preview from the Sale Completed screen. Give it a moment while the receipt is being prepared. Scroll through the invoice to check the cylinder balance and confirm the closing balance of Rs 10,000 still owed by the customer. The sale invoice preview is now complete. Let's go to the next step, which is checking customer outstanding balance. To check the customer outstanding balance, head back to the dashboard and jump into Parties. Tap on the Customer Outstanding card here to see who owes you money. You can clearly see Hassan Traders owes you Rs 10,000. So close this pop-up and let's go recover it. The customer's outstanding balance is now clearly visible. Let's go to the next step, which is recording payment against specific sale. To record a payment against a specific sale, open the three-dot menu next to Hassan Traders and pick Payment. Since we want this money tied to a particular invoice, switch over to Specific Sale. Choose the outstanding sale with the remaining Rs 10,000 and enter 5,000 as the amount you're collecting. Keep cash selected and make sure Fahad Cash is set as the receiving account. Hit Receive Payment to process the Rs 5,000 against this sale. The payment has been recorded against the specific sale. Let's move to the next step, which is previewing the receipt voucher. To preview the receipt voucher, tap on Preview here. This generates a clean PDF slip showing the opening balance, the amount received, and the new closing balance of Rs 5,000, which you can share as an image or PDF. The receipt voucher preview looks good. Let's go to the next step, which is verifying payment in accounts. To verify the payment landed in the right account, head back and open the account screen. Tap into the cash account where you recorded the payment. Here's the Rs 5,000 entry. Tap it to check the details. This confirms you've received the cash from that customer, so close it out and let's move on to the next payment. The payment is now verified in the accounts. Let's go to the next step, which is recording an additional payment with notes. To record another payment, swipe left on the customer's entry and tap the green payment button. Choose Specific Sale again, pick the same invoice, and enter the next partial amount you're collecting. Keep the cash account selected, and this time add a quick note for your own reference. Hit Receive Payment to lock in the second transaction. The additional payment has been recorded along with the notes. Let's go to the next step, which is to preview the updated receipt. To preview the updated receipt, notice the new remaining balance shows Rs 3,000, then tap Preview. Here in the PDF, you can see your note along with the updated closing balance of Rs 3,000. The updated receipt preview is now complete. Let's go to the next step, which is to verify the remaining outstanding and account credit. To confirm the final balances, head back to the Parties screen where you'll see Hassan Traders now owes just Rs 3,000. Tap on the Customer Outstanding card to double-check that remaining balance. Jump over to the Account section and open up your Fahad Cash account. Here you can verify the Rs 2,000 payment landed in your account, and that's how you track and recover money after a sale.